There's generally dump sites everywhere right beside houses, so we're going to flip some of this and see what we can get. Very unlikely to have anything under this piece because it's been out in the sun all day, but we'll have a check. Oh yes, cane toad, and that's it. We're not too far from suburbia. On a dirt road, there's water inside the four-wheel drive trucks, and there's also bits of concrete. These bits of concrete have plenty of hidey holes, so there'll definitely be snakes here tonight, and we'll come back and have a look. Just found a dead car, and one of the doors was leaning against a mimosa, so I've placed it down, and we'll have a lot more luck with anything under it now because it's got contact with the ground and it's also in partial shade. There's not likely to be anything really cool under here apart from bi-nose geckos. There will be cane toads as well because cane toads are really tough, and I think we got a bi-nose. Yep, we just had a bi-nose. Cane toads are really tough and they'll tolerate the hot temperatures, but a lot of our native species will not. Yeah, not too much. Oh, there's a bi-nose. This is herping in this really poor bush. It's predominantly ruled by gum trees and mimosa. But yeah, we'll just flip a couple of these things. Oh yeah! There's the cane toad. And I don't know if you saw, but there were just 5 bi-nose that just ran away really quickly. Oh yeah, Scolopendra morsitans. And that's a tarantula burrow right there. I'm gonna flip this big one. Hopefully there's a eastern brown snake under it. It's actually quite rare find in North Queensland. No. Oh, you got the giant centipede. It's got a ridiculously big name. Nice centipedes. So we just had a couple of centipedes, a couple of bi-nose geckos, a couple of cane toads, and we're going to flip this last piece. Yeah, there's a cane toad there. It's so successful. Right, so we just found a juvenile lesser black whip snake under this piece right here. I'm going to flip it again, hopefully get some nice footage of it. Here it is. And it's gone. What a beautiful little snake. And he's back under. Just got a lesser black whip snake before, and we're still flipping in the same area. Got the snake under that piece right there. Just going to flip this piece, see if there's anything underneath it. Yes, bi-nose gecko again. Quite common, those geckos around here. Flip this fridge amongst all the grass here. There's a blue-tongued lizard hiding underneath it, eastern blue-tongued lizard. There it is. Must have been just sleeping, settling in for tonight. Yep. Another fridge over here. As you can see, someone has accidentally left their coffee here. But we'll flip this anyway. Oh, it's cooked under there. Oh yeah. Tommy around head dragon. Looked over the edge. And what we have here is nice carpet python. Hopefully it's alive, considering we're right next to a road. Have to go down and check it shortly. It's carpet python. It's trying to find his hole, or her hole. Just herping at a creek line, and one of the most common frogs we see in suburbia around North Queensland is the rocket frog, Victoria norsuta. Creek line right there. Creek lines are great for snakes, and there's some rocks here. I was hoping for a spotted python tonight, and what do you know?